Just when you least expect it, biglang boom! You're like, oh, wow! That was the feels right there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right here in front, we have the cast, producers, and of course the director of I Fell. It's Fine, showing April 4.
Yes. Alright, so maybe just have
Once again, we would like to call on here Direct Sig. Direct Sig.
and maybe have our cast, our lovely producers, and Direct Sigrid to please stand here in the front so that
And of course, we'd
media
like to
can
ask
see.
all of our audience members, our press, to please step a little bit back and give our cast, producer, director some space to share a short thank you message to each and every single one of you tonight. Of course, here making her way down is Direct Sigrid. Thank you so much. Okay. Once again, to our audience members and members of the press, please take us one step back po, just to have some space for our cast, producer, and director. Maraming salamat po. And please, let's make some space for Direct Sig. Po.
Alright! Once again, congratulations to the team behind I Felt It's Fine!
Palakpakan po natin sila!
And now just to give a short message of thanks for everyone who came to support for tonight.
One more po, one more. 1, 2, 3.
We have our two beautiful leading ladies, Miss Rian and Miss Glyza.
Ayan.
Ano masasabi niyo kay Direct Sigrid? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung kwento? Yes! Magaling ba siyang director?
Everybody say thank you, Direct Sigrid! Thank you, White International!
Thank you, Wide International!
At maraming salamat din sa inyong lahat. Naging posible ito dahil sa inyong lahat at hindi kayo bumitaw. So maraming salamat po, Last Crow Rebels and Siberian.
Ang sarap makakita ng mga lumang mukha. Bagong mukha. Sobrang luma. Kaya hanggang ngayon parang speechless pa din ako kasi sobrang nakakatuwa lang na makita, marinig ang inyong mga tawanan, hiyawan, at doon pala ang ramdam na namin na nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi na namin tatanungin. Ang papag-usapan namin sa inyo ay, let's share this movie. Sana marami pa ang cinemas na narating na itong pelikula na to. Sana umabot pa to sa iba't ibang bansa. Diba? Maraming stories ang matouch ng pelikula na to. Again, maraming salamat Wide International sa mga co-stars ko, syempre sa aking leading lady.